Namaskar, I am Anubhav Ranjan and you're watching Ritam. Previously, Ritam had covered multiple reports on ongoing disastrous pollution and the severe air quality of the national capital. The blame for this choking smog has often been placed on stubble burning from neighbouring states like Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, making Delhi-NCR the epicentre of hazardous smoke. Previously, NASA reports highlighted that much of the stubble burning originated in Punjab, ruled by Kejriwal Saab. Despite repeated calls urging Arvind Kejriwal to address the issue by holding his own Punjab government accountable, his response has been silence as always. Now, a damning report from the Centre for Research on Energy and Clean Air has unveiled an even graver issue. Thermal power plants in NCR emit 16 times more pollutants than stubble burning or firecrackers. While stubble burning was the convenient scapegoat, the toxic emissions from these power plants have revealed the Delhi government's complete failure to protect its citizens. The report highlights the thermal power plants in the national capital region released 281 kilotons of sulfur dioxide between the June 2022 and May 2023, making them major contributors to Delhi's pollution. India's coal-dependent energy sector is responsible for nearly 20% of global anthropogenic sulfur dioxide emissions, with the country producing 6,807 kilotons of sulfur dioxide from electricity generation in 2023 alone, far exceeding emissions from Turkey with 2,206 kilotons and Indonesia with 2,017 kilotons. This data underscores the alarming scale of pollution caused by these plants and the negligence of Delhi government in addressing this pressing issue. As air quality deteriorates day by day, the Delhi government's lack of concrete action plan becomes glaringly evident. While token measures have been introduced, they are woefully inadequate. Here the question remains, was the government waiting for Delhi to descend into GRAP 4 levels where conditions become unlivable, or are they expecting people to protest to demand action for what should already have been a priority? Meanwhile, the crisis has brought daily life in Delhi to a grinding halt where flights have been cancelled with dangerously low visibility disrupting travel, schools are shut down depriving children of education, commuters face severe breathing difficulties with respiratory illness on the rise. A thick smog blanket visible even from space now engulfs the city, forcing residents to inhale air laden with hazardous pollutants. Apart from this, according to a Lancet study, around 12,000 people in Delhi die each year due to air pollution, which is 11.5% of the city's total deaths, which clearly indicates the severity of Delhi's severe AQI. As the Delhi government continues to fail its citizens, we would like to request you to take the following measures to keep yourselves safe in this dire situation. Avoid outdoor exercise, perform cardio indoors to minimize exposure. Increase consumption of vitamin C, which can be found in guava, orange, pineapple and kiwi, and vitamin E to boost immunity. Stay hydrated to help flush toxins from your body. Invest in an air purifier to improve indoor air quality. Take daily steam inhalations to clear respiratory pathways. Delhi's pollution crisis has reached catastrophic levels, and the Kejriwal government's apathy is nothing short of betrayal. Rather than addressing the root causes of pollution, they continue to indulge in blame games and shallow optics. The lack of meaningful action from a government in power for so long reflects not just incompetence but inhumanity toward the people of Delhi. This is a government that prioritizes political theatrics over public health. Delhi's residents deserve better than to be left gasping for air while their leaders play the blame game. It's high time the government takes real accountability or steps aside for those who will. Jai Hind.